Yeah. Yeah.
What's up?
Well, hey, thanks for tuning in today. I just got done installing a LiftMaster 8557W MyQ built-in Wi-Fi. LiftMaster is going to discontinue this machine, unfortunately.
What did he say?
It's 3/4 horsepower. Just didn't quite make it. So
That bites, man.
the 8557W will be discontinued here shortly. So I got the opportunity to stick one in. My supplier, they had 2 left, so I grabbed one. But it's a fantastic machine. Belt drive.
Be very, very quiet.
There you go. And this door here, it's a 20x7, double steel insulated. I mean, it goes up and down by hand pretty decently, but it's still pretty bulky. This machine handles it no problem. So there you go, guys. LiftMaster 8557W. Gonna miss you. You're awesome. Thanks for watching today, guys. Leave a comment, hit the like button. We'll talk to you soon.